Today on World Famous Foods, Rasta Pasta. Let's cook. Okay, now we're gonna season our chicken breast with some jerk seasoning. Let this marinate for a bit. Alright, so we're going to be using some Rigatoni noodles. All you got to do is just cook the noodles to what it says on the package. Pull these in. And let these cook. Alright, so we're cutting up our bell peppers. If you guys notice, since we're doing this Rasta pasta, we got the Ites, red, the gold, and the green. In the description, I'm gonna probably explain to you guys what this is. Don't forget, Rastafari, Ital Gold and Green. Let's keep going. All right, folks, so we got our avocado oil in the pan. We're gonna fry our chicken breast. All right, so just remember we have to cook this chicken all the way through, so now we're gonna turn them. Look at that, look at that, look at that, folks, look at that. Just about 5 minutes per side. See that? Look at that. All right, so our chicken is done. We're gonna take it out. All right, now we're gonna add our bell peppers to the pan. Okay, so add some garlic. Saute these down. We're gonna add our coconut milk. We're not using no heavy cream, we're using coconut milk. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Ooh. What an aroma. What an aroma. And now we're gonna add habaneros, some more jerk seasoning. Alright, so now we're going to add some cheese. Got some Provolone and some Parmesan. Just add this in here. Folks, look at that. Look at that. Nice and melting. Alright. Now we're going to add our rigatoni in. Ooh wee, look at that, folks, look at that. I have to add some more cheese in here. Look at that cheese just melting away. Now we're going to add our chicken. All right, folks, here we go. Look at this. It's our finished product. World Famous Foods, Rasta Pasta. See that? Time to enjoy this.